Hello guys, welcome back to Story on Java. In today's video, we will be exploring the count method of the Stream API. Okay, so it is a powerful tool that allows you to easily count the element in the stream. Okay, so let's get started. So we are creating the firstly class for that. So class name is count method example. In that firstly we want to write the main method and count. So what is the count method? Actually it is introduced in Java 8. It is a part of Stream API. Okay, so it return the count of the element in the stream, and it return the long type value. Okay, so what we are doing today, so today we are creating the one array list, and from that list we are applying the some filter, and we are getting the count of that list after applying the filter. Okay, so for that firstly we want to create the one list type is integer and name is suppose count. We want to import the list. Now we are adding the element into the list. Suppose 25, 45, 56, 78, 86, and suppose 36. So we are adding six element into the list. Okay, and now we are finding the element which is greater than 15. Okay, so, we are finding the element which is greater than 15. We are getting the count of that list. Okay, so we want to find the 56, 78, 86. Okay, so the element count is 3. So how we can find the count of that okay element? So we will use the count method for that. So count method return the long type value. So we are declaring the variable, suppose uh, element element count. So we are renaming it actually for the understanding purpose as a list. Okay, so element count, and after that we are getting the stream of that list. So we are getting stream. After that we are applying the filter, and in that filter we are passing the lambda, and we are just checking the element is greater than 50 or not. Okay, if it is greater than 15, it will be count. Okay, so yes, the count method will return the element which is greater than 15. Okay, so simply here we can print it element count. Element count is okay. So here it will be print 3. Okay, it will be count will be 3, so it will be print 3. So we are running the program. So yes, here is a 3. So so here is a count will be returning the 3. And we'll take one more example. Suppose we have a employee list. Okay, so if you have a employee list and we want to find the employee which is higher salary. Okay, so how we can do that? So simply for that we want to firstly create the class employee class. Suppose we have a emp class. Okay, so inside emp class we have two fields. Suppose name and salary. First is name and second is salary, suppose int salary we have to build inside the emp class. And now we are creating the getter and setter and constructor. Okay, firstly constructor, here we are created the constructor, and now we are creating the getter and setters. Getter and setters and to string for the displaying the data. Okay, so yes, emp class is ready. So we are adding the employee into the list. Okay, so for that we want to create the list, employee list. The type is emp, and you can give the name emp list. Okay, and new array list, and here we want to import the array list. Okay, so in emp list we want to add the employee. Okay, the first employee's name is suppose Ram. Okay, and salary is suppose 41,000. So we are adding 4 employee into the list. 52,000, and Sita suppose having salary 26,000, and suppose Rakesh having salary is suppose 81,000. Okay, so we have 4 employee, Ram, Sham, Sita and Rakesh. Okay, so in that we want to find the count of the employee which is salary is higher than 15,000. So how we can do that? So we want to firstly declare the variable for storing the count. So it is long type. So and variable name suppose emp count. Okay, so firstly we want to get the stream of that list. Okay, we are taking the stream. After that we are applying the filter. In filter we want to pass the predicate. Okay, so now we want to check the salary, so we want to get the salary first. Okay, and salary is greater than 15,000. After that we want to apply the count method. So count method will firstly it will taking the stream. After that we are filtering the element which is salary is higher than 15,000, and that after if it is true it will be count. Okay, so count return to okay the Sham and Rakesh. Okay, Ram and Sita is lower salary, so it will be not count. Okay, so here we can display simply employee count is here we can print the value, and before applying filter we can display also. Okay, so sys out, and we are just tracking stream, and we are applying just count function. So before filter, so this will be written 4 as a count. Okay, because employee list having the 4 employees, so it will be written 4, and this it will be written 2, only 2 employee having higher salary. Okay, so now I am running the program. So yes, before filter it's having 4 employee. After filter we have get the only 2 employee. So this is the count method. It is very useful in Stream API. Okay. So this is the overall of the count method. Thank you.